Hello, how are you doing today? As you know, vocabulary plays a very important role in your writing and speaking sections of IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE. There has to be a consistent effort and a focused effort to develop vocabulary. So, I'm going to talk about a simple way to develop your uh, power of words. And here you will find an Excel file with a collection of phrases which you can very frequently use in your writing and speaking. So, as you can see, there is a big list of phrases, and I've compiled it from various sources ranging from newspapers to standardized essays to day to day words and phrases. So, these are the words and phrases which you can easily learn and master and use in your essays. As you can see, I was just scrolling down and we have around 274 phrases here. So I'm not saying that you have to learn all those 274 words and phrases, but then even if you go with, let's say, 30, 40 of them, you can make a huge difference to your writing. And writing, as you know, is one section which requires a lot of practice. Let us just see a way and let us just try to understand how this Excel is arranged. Like, for example, let's take any word, let's say relent. Relent, the meaning of word relent is given here, which means to give up, किसी चीज़ को छोड़ देना. So my mother refused me to study at Delhi, but later she relented. So initially she was saying that you cannot study at Delhi, but later she relented, means give up. She allowed me to do something. कोई पे एक पोजीशन लेके रखा हुआ था और फिर उस स्टैंड को छोड़ दिया जब आपने बहुत ज़्यादा जिद किया. So my mother initially told me not to go to the movie, but later she relented and allowed me to go to the movie. So relent is that word. Relentless is not giving up. A relentless practice can make you a winner, like for example. But relent is a beautiful word, as you can see. Relent means to give up, किसी पोजीशन को छोड़ देना. और अगर ना छोड़ने की बात करेंगे तो relentless जो एक एडजेक्टिव है वो बन जाएगा. Relentless is like untiring efforts. कोई और फ्रेज लेते हैं, लेट अस से ये लेते हैं. अप्रूव द मलाइस. अप्रूव द मलाइस मतलब किसी बुराई को दूर करना. टू अप्रूव द मलाइस ऑफ करप्शन द गवर्नमेंट इज टेकिंग मैनी स्टेप्स, or the government is taking many steps to uproot the malice of corruption. It is not easy to uproot the malice of corruption. It takes resolute efforts to uproot our malices. So malice का मतलब होता है कोई भी बुराई, and uproot मतलब ख़त्म करना. So this becomes a beautiful phrase. To uproot the malice of traffic and pollution, we need to take lots of steps to uproot the malice of bias towards transgenders. We need to change the mentality of the whole society. So this is how you can use, and this becomes a very beautiful way of depicting your ideas. Good, the choice of words adds a fresh dimension to your writing. It makes it appear fresh, and it is indispensable to get good marks, like beyond 7 when we talk about, if you talk about TOEFL 100 plus. If your choice of words makes a huge difference. Let's take another example. Like for example, parochial. So parochial is something which is related to a very small group. The meaning of the word is given, as you can see. So the meaning is narrow minded or non secular, something which is एक किसी माइनॉरिटी का जो व्यू है उसको रखने के लिए आप वर्ड पैरोशियल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Right, it's a parochial view, or Congress has become a very parochial party now. A parochial party now. It's parochial to say that only certain regions of the country can prosper. Let's see how the sentence is made. If a non-secular party comes to rule, the parochial goons will be set loose. Parochial means narrow-minded, non-secular. Some people have a very parochial mindset. Now, parochial is an adjective and it can be used in a number of situations. A parochial mindset or a parochial approach is one which is very narrow minded. लेट्स गो टू सम अदर वर्ड. तो इसमें एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है, उसका मीनिंग दिया है, फिर एक सेंटेंस दिया है, उसको कहाँ यूज़ करना है. देखिए आप, वेयर, ये जो फोर्थ कॉलम है ये वेयर है. पहला है जो फ्रेज़ बताता है कि कौन सा फ्रेज़ है, फिर उसके बाद बोलता है उसका मीनिंग क्या है, फिर उसके बाद सेंटेंस बनाया हुआ है, उसको कहाँ पे यूज़ करना बताया है. सो इस तरह से अगर आप कुछ 40-50 फ्रेजेस कर लेते हैं तो आप किसी भी सिचुएशन में एक अच्छा वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेट्स सी अनदर वर्ड. इवन मेड अ कन्विंसिंग केस. तो कोई एग्जांपल देना है तो हम प्रेजेंट्स अ कन्विंसिंग केस या मेड अ कन्विंसिंग केस बता सकते हैं. Japan, which was devastated by nuclear attacks in the world, presents a convincing case about how a country can change itself. So this is how you can use these kind of structures rather than using simple English. I'm going to send this, I've already sent this to most of you earlier. I'm going to send it once again. I'm going to present a link of this particular Excel file in the comments here, or you can call me and get it in case there is a problem that you can't get it. And please download it, learn some 40-50 phrases. If you start learning, let's say 10 phrases a day, you'll be able to develop this and use this in your writing and speaking. Do subscribe to my channel for further good videos. You will get updates all the time, and do make use of this Excel to develop your vocabulary. All the very best to you.